welcome back to another topic. So here our topic name is fraction. So what is meant by fraction, how we can do this, and with the clear detail and knowledge we are doing here example of only plus, because I am saying in the very detail and very knowledge. So remain 3 means of minus, multiplication and division I will send you soon. So subscribe our channel, click the bell notification and like this video also. So let's start this video with fun and with knowledge. So see children, I take an example of the plus, that is 3 by 3 whole and 4 by 2 plus 2 whole and 3 by 4. So let's do the plus. First upon what we have to do, we have to take this in the improper fraction. We have to convert in improper fraction. So how we can convert? Let's see. So first upon, that is say 2 and 3, we have to multiply. So let's multiply it. That is multiply. Then 3, जो भी इसका आंसर आया, whatever answer came, we have to plus here with the 4. Means divisor into whole plus numerator. Yes, divisor into whole and plus numerator. So let's see what will came the answer. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 4, it is 10. So let's write here 10 by 2. 10 by 2. Okay, understand? Yes. So see how we have done here. 4 into 2. नीचे के दो जो है उनका मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है और फिर बाकी के जो यहाँ पे अपना न्यूमरेटर है उसको प्लस, जो भी आंसर है 4 2 8 8 9 10 11. So here we will write plus sign and 11 by what? Here is 4. Denominator is 4. We have to doesn't change the denominator. So now here came our answer. Means that is the improper fraction. So what we have to do here? We have to convert the denominators to the same. So which is the biggest denominator here? Yes, 4 is the biggest. So we have to convert 2 into 4. How it's converts? Yes, it by multiplication. So how we can do it? 2 into but 2. Okay, so we will done here 2 into 2, and so then if we done in downside, so answer came 4 and here also 4. So no problem. See 2 into 2, it is 4. So अगर हमने नीचे भी into किया है तो ऊपर भी करना ही होगा. तो भी फिर उसी नंबर से, सिर्फ उसी नंबर से यहाँ पे 2 लिया है, ऊपर भी 2 ही. So here we write this answer. Okay. So first upon 2 into 2 is 4. And 10 into 2 it is, yes, very nice, 20. So 20 here, and then it is the plus. So we will do plus and then 11. 11 by 4. We have to not done anything here. We have to not done anything here. So see what will came the answer. So the answer is 20 plus 11. It is 31. Almost 31 is this. And we have to, many children done that. See, they plus the denominators also. So that is not a way to plus the denominator. So we have to, so first of all I will write here only 4. We have to not change. So 31, I will write here 31. So our answer is came, but guys, that is a mixed fraction. So we can convert it as a mixed fraction. Yes, we have to convert because this is improper fraction, and improper fraction it can be converted into mixed fraction. So let's convert it into mixed fraction. So 4 divided by 31, it came the mixed fraction. So let's do where yes, here. So let's 31 divided by 4. are, yes, it is 32. So we note 4 sevens are, it is 28. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are, here is 28. So what we have to do, we have to minus it. So minus here, it's not getting, so cut it. 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. So answer came 3. So we have to, it's converted into mixed fraction. Did you know how we can convert it? Let's see. So denominator is 4 only. Then which comes the quotient, it comes here, and then that remainder, it comes 7 whole 3 by 4 is our correct answer. So let's make. Thanks so much for watching video. Thank you.